We'll guide you through how to download GitHub Desktop on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as then you can easily access repositories amongst other things as well. So we'll guide you through this step by step. So to go and get started, go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Then what you want to do is go and type in GitHub Desktop like this. And at the top, you'll see the option Download GitHub Desktop. You'll go and see it, press the button here, download for Windows, and it'll then go and begin. Be patient. When it finishes, open up your file explorer. Go to the left and you can go and press downloads, and you can then go and find the GitHub desktop setup. Double click on it. Now what we can do is go and sign in. So you can go and press the button, your web browser will go and open up, and we can sign in. We can then go and authorize it by pressing continue, and press authorize desktop. Come back here and you can then go and configure Git, and we'll go and press finish. That's it, you can now go and start using it. You can go through your repositories. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the next one.